I've been curious about these patch antennas for ages because I love the analog ones. I haven't seen any videos on them really, apart from the main VAS selling site. What I will say is though, there is no colour grading in this video. Look at the shadows, look at the clarity and the constant bit rate.
Oh my god! The inventor of these shouldn't be called IBCrazy. He should be called IB Miracle Worker, because this, my god, that is crystal clear. Absolutely crystal clear. I didn't get one bit of pixelation. I know there's get my hair in my mouth. I know there's no foliage or anything like that, you know what I mean? But over there, right over there where I went, that's out of line of sight. No smearing or anything. I mean, you know, before it was, I mean, it was always good, but wow, that's insane. I will show you the goggle view. That was my first flight. You know, I mean, there's nothing here to actually prove today, yeah, that, you know, it can go behind trees and stuff like that. Wow. Listen to that fan purring along like a well-groomed James Bond cat.
Number 3, is your section ready to carry out Kronstein's directives of operations for Soviet intelligence?
I see. Dickhead.
Leave your comments below, tell me what you think and say, and this will be straight from capture card, straight from the goggles. I won't put my SIM card in anything, you know, I'll basically just capture card from the goggles and record it on my phone, okay, and then put it out there. Alright, so it'll be in 1080p 60.
Lift me up, are you kidding? Make me feel like I'm the only one that you love. Nothing lasts forever, so we seize the day. Run away together, going all the way. Lift me up, make me feel like I'm the only one that you love. Nothing lasts forever, so we seize the day. Run away together, going all the way.
Up are the trees that we're gonna drop down over soon on the next test with DJI.
Lift me up, make me feel like I'm the only one that you love. Nothing lasts forever, so we seize the day. Run away together, going all the way. Lift me up, make me feel like I'm the only one that you love. Nothing lasts forever, so we seize the day. Run away together, going all the way.
catch my breath. I keep on struggling but got nothing left. I get kicked down and lay waiting for death. I wake up every morning with a sigh of regret. I'm damn bad. I can't catch a motherfucking break. Yeah, I'm down bad. Don't know how much more I can take. Yeah.
Freak, are you kidding me?
RC Addict, thanks all at Flying Tech, thanks the great Freak Van Workum Beats with Hooks, everyone that subscribes and follows and views, and have a nice day. I hope that helps someone.